Hey guys, it's Nate doing the Options Locator Profit Over Greed October 3rd, 2021 Sunday chart review. First things first, head over to the website. Make sure you look over the risk disclaimer. It's also found in the Discord. So I'm just going to dive right into it here. We've got Apple this week looking, make a nice hammer on Friday, break new lower low. They've broadened this broadening formation a little bit with it. So I readjusted that, looking for a move over 143 here. Get up here over up to like 145, 146, and then 147.47 this week. We'll just see how things open up tomorrow with everything there, with like tech and everything. Apple's a pretty good indicator as far as how the market's moving. So see how they do the first full week of October here. Airbnb, it's been a great move ever since this breakout here for us. Now I want to see a push up over 176.96, up towards 180. We'll be looking for the breakout here over 173.56 this week, and then move up here at 175, 176.96. Affirm, double inside day, inside week. These prior levels, it's funny, had the prior level here and here. That's what those levels are, sandwiched right between them here. So basically, calls over 120, 125. Looking at puts over under 113 here, essentially 110.64, and then down to 104, where that gap essentially starts. ATVI broke out Friday for us through this downward trend line. See if they can confirm it this week. Get up over 80, 80.50, and on up this week. CRM, nice outside day on Friday. Held 270, 269.26 level. Push it over 276.70. Little gap here down to 279. So we got about 2.5 point, 3 point gap here that can get us a nice move. As long as 270 continues to hold. Disney, great day on Friday off the Merck news. So see if they can't get some continuation. They're buying back this sell the news day here. So see if they can't push it over Friday's high and then up towards 179.45, 180. I'm not really looking for them to push it up to 182, but we'll see. EA, mentioned this a couple times in the Discord this week. They closed this gap. No surprise, went inside day once they closed it. Inside day hammer. So we'll see if we can't get some continuation this week off 144.13. Push up 147.54. FSLR, outside the inside day up on the spinning top here. So we had that move, looking for continuation this week over 97.50. Solar's been pretty hot this week, so see if we can't get a nice push up to 100, 158. Small gap here. Close that gap possibly this week as well. Fubo, broadening formation here. So, kind of bounced off of the new lower low here. Inside day hammer, looking for a move over 24.62, and then 25.03 on up 27.50. GE, been kind of quiet, but I like this outside to inside day over 106.39. Kind of tight here in all of this, so see if they can't come out of that downward trend line, push over 107.36, and then 109.04. Microsoft, they close that gap. Now strong bullish outside day, right underneath this gap here. Take it over that small downward trend line of Friday's high around 290. 290.78 starts the gap up to 292.94. So about a 2 point, just over a 2 point gap there. See if they can't get that filled on some continuation off of Friday's move. ADD, looking at this one, holding this sold support line here, 87. If they can't, want to see them get it over that downward trend line there, over 90, basically 92, and then push it. If they can't do that, then I'll look for a short this week for them to fill the rest of this gap here. So if they can fill the rest of that gap, that would be what I would be looking at. Pins, again, still just kind of going back and forth inside this small browning formation here. Made a new lower this week, inside day up to a shooting star there, but not giving up hope. Want to see a push over that downward trend line over 56 or 54.60 for a potential swing on some November calls there. Roku, double inside day. I foresee them holding 300. If they don't hold 300, then they can really drop. But as long as 300 continues to hold, look for the double inside day up over 317.15, and then push it on up towards the prior week's high at 340 area. And Square, another double inside day, new lower low here. See if they can't continue that higher, or if they come back through and go lower here. But I'd like to see them push higher. Got a gap here. That'll be a target area there. So that's really all I've got this week. See how they take things the first week of October here. And hope everybody has a great week. A good start to the month on Friday with Microsoft paying us on that lotto call and a few other things. So I do like how they bounced the markets on Friday after that sell-off on Thursday to end September and the third quarter. So real quick, I'll look at SPY. Yeah, so they took the prior week's low on Thursday, just wicked it on Thursday at the close, and then they did go lower Friday at the open, but we're right back here to this 435.99 level. Kind of been an interesting level nonetheless, but we still have this gap up here, so see if we can't get anything there. So really, if we can get higher, I'd like to see them move up here to 440 this week, and then 445 area. So now we have the potential for an outside month, since we've already come out of September's low of the bearish engulfing month, outside month there. We have the potential to now go bullish engulfing if we so choose. So we'll just see how it shakes out. Obviously, only 1 day thus far in September, so not going to get October, not going to get too ahead of ourselves. But I do like how they reacted on Friday. So, if you guys have any questions about the charts, let me know, and hope you guys have a great day.